Alright, hello traders and welcome po sa ating live trading session for today. So again, this is Paul Mendoza, your trading speaker. Hello to you as well. As are all types video, please let me know if you can hear me well. Please type po na lang po sa ating live chat box. Hello say Yadu Ibrahim. Hi to you as well. Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, and good evening kung saan man po kayo nanonood ngayon. So again, welcome po sa ating first live trading session for this month. Hello, SR all types video. So thank you for confirming. Okay, so I think we can start right now. So again, before we start, let me just read the disclaimer first. So any opinion, news research, prices, analysis, or other information discussed in this webinar or linked to this presentation are provided as general market commentary and do not constitute investment advice. So again, I am not a financial advisor at lahat po ng analysis na gagawin natin for today is just a general market commentary. Okay, good evening to you as well, Pards TV. So welcome po sa ating webinar for today and thank you for joining. Okay, so to continue, kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapag subscribe sa ating Telegram channel which is created by Octa for the Philippines. So sa loob po ng Telegram channel ni Octa, so meron po tayong mga trading ideas na makikita. Meron din po tayong market updates katulad nito. Meron din tayong trading quiz sa loob nitong channel na to, though hindi siya madalas. But from time to time, nagkakaroon ng trading quiz para po sa ating mga traders to enhance our knowledge tungkol sa Forex. Okay, and as well as economic calendar, such as this one. So, importante po na maging updated tayo sa kung ano po yung nangyayari sa economy ng iba't ibang bansa. And syempre, meron din po tayong mga announcement. So, kung nasa loob po kayo ng Telegram channel ni Octa, so kayo po yung unang-unang makakaalam kapag meron pong mga important announcements. Katulad po ng mga promos or kung ano man pong merong bago si Octa. Okay? Hello to you as well, Laura Octemia. So welcome back po no sa ating webinar. Alright, so if this is your first time attending my webinar, my name again is Paul Joseph Mendoza, or you can just call me Paul. I am a professional Forex trader with over 5 years of experience, going 6 years for this year. I am a trading coach and an analyst. I am a pullback and trend trading specialist. I also teach traders on how to manage their money and find their trading style. And I am also experienced on handling the money or funds ng mga private investors ko before. And I also have an experience sa pag-assist po ng isang startup trading desk. Okay, and speaking of promo code, so again, if you want to take advantage po sa 50% or 100% deposit bonus ni Octa, you can use my promo code which is PaulJM100. So to take advantage of the promo code, just open the Octa Trading app or visit our official website which is octafx.com. Go to your profile, then find the promo code section in the menu, enter the promo code and press activate. Then just make a deposit and enjoy your deposit bonus. All right? Okay, so let's start. So again, as usual, magsisimula po tayo sa pag-analyze po ng economic calendar. Just like what I said earlier, importante po na nalalaman po natin kung ano po yung mga updates sa mga major currency pairs na binabantayan po natin. So later at around 9:15 p.m. Philippine time, so meron pong high impact news sa USD which is ADP employment change. Ang forecast po is 150. And then after that, we have a high impact news sa CAD. So dalawa po yung high impact news dito at around 10:45 in the evening. So the first one is BOC monetary policy statement, and then we have BOC interest rate decision. So dito sa interest rate decision, ang forecast is 5%. Then we also have at around 11 p.m. meron tayo ulit sa USD. So merong Fed's Chair Powell testifies. And then at around 11:30 in the evening, Philippine time, again, meron po tayo sa Canadian dollar, BOC press conference naman. Alright? So, this is what we have for the rest of the day para po sa ating mga high impact news. Okay, so let's start analyzing our charts for today. So again, before anything else, para po sa mga nagtatanong kung paano po ako a-analyze o kung paano po ako naghahanap ng trading opportunities is very simple. First is to look for the uptrending market, uptrending or downtrending market. So for example, on the uptrend, ang kailangan po nating makita is this 1, 2, 3 pattern. Okay? So kung maalala po ninyo yung lesson natin about this 1, 2, 3 pattern, the first thing that I am looking for is for the price to pull back in this previous resistance. Okay? So this previous resistance could become support. So kapag bumalik po yung price dito sa previous high, then there's a high chance or most likely magbabounce po o magre-react yung price action dito, and this could be our support. And kapag nagkaroon tayo ng long entry or pag nag-open tayo ng long trade dito sa support level is mataas po yung probability na magkaroon siya ng continuation. Or we can also use Fibonacci retracement. Sa Fibonacci retracement, ang binabantayan po natin is the 50% up to 78.6 Fibonacci level. Same thing for the downtrend. So kapag nagkaroon ng pullback sa previous support, so this previous support could turn into resistance. Then kapag nagkaroon siya ng pullback, yung pag nagkaroon ng price action or pag nagkaroon yung price action ng pullback sa resistance level, mataas yung chance na magkaroon siya dito ng reaction for a possible continuation to the downside. And we can also use Fibonacci retracement for a downtrend as well. Okay? So, if we take a look sa atin pong analysis sa DXY, so meron po tayong downtrending market for this one. Okay? Then, last time, ang analysis po natin dito is pwede siyang magkaroon ng breakout dito sa resistance level based on our drawing, or pwede rin siyang mag-bounce. So, yung yellow analysis natin is pwede siyang magkaroon ng breakout dito sa resistance zone. And then, kapag nagkaroon siya ng breakout, dito tayo mag-aabang ng pullback. And then, pwede siya, itong resistance level, pag nagkaroon ng breakout, is pwede siyang maging support. So, ito yung initial analysis natin, which is, obviously, hindi yun yung ginawa ng price action. So, ang ginawa ng price action is yung second analysis natin, which is mag-resist siya dito sa resistance zone. Okay? So, as you can see, nagpe-play out po dito yung 1, 2, 3 pattern na dinrawing natin kanina. Okay? So, as you can see, after reacting from this resistance level, bumalik siya dito sa support zone. So, this previous support is this support level is our previous resistance right here. Okay? Then, as we can see, ang ina-expect natin last time is magkaroon siya ng consolidation around this level or magkaroon siya ng reaction dito sa support pagkatapos niyang tumama dito sa resistance. Then, as we can see, kung i-analyze natin ito ngayon, so obviously, nagkaroon siya ng reaction talaga dito sa support based on these candlestick patterns. Okay, so as you can see, after pulling back into the support zone, so nagkaroon siya ng attempt na magkaroon ng continuation pataas. Okay, so as we can see, after pulling back into the support level, nagkaroon siya ng attempt na magkaroon ng continuation pataas, but unfortunately, the price decided to continue to go down. But as we can see, katulad nung drawing natin kanina, dito sa uptrend example. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement as well as yung pullback dito sa previous resistance, which is mataas yung chance na pwede siyang maging support level. Okay? So, combining the two confluences, so meron tayong support level, possible support level. So, let me just clean up my drawings. Okay? So, meron tayong established na 1, 2, 3 pattern. Okay? And then, right now, the price is pulling back. And the price is pulling back to where? To its previous resistance. Okay? And right now, as we can see, itong previous resistance is nagsusupport na siya based on this candlestick pattern. Okay? So, as we can see, we have this candlestick pattern. So, meron tayong long wick to the downside, indicating na meron ng mga interesadong buyers around this support zone. And if we use our Fibonacci retracement, so obviously, confluence yung support level natin sa 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. So having this kind of information, so we can assume na ang next move ng DXY is possible siya na magkaroon ng reaction from this support zone at magkaroon siya ng bounce off of this level. Okay? So ang ina-expect natin na next move nitong DXY is pwede siyang mag-bounce dito sa support level at pwedeng magkaroon ng movement to the upside. Okay? So ito po yung ina-expect natin or yung titignan natin sa DXY kung magre-react ba siya dito sa support level. At itong support level is again confluence siya sa 61.8 Fibonacci level. So kapag nagkaroon siya ng reaction dito sa support, so pwede tayo magkaroon ng continuation pataas at pwede siyang bumalik dito sa mga resistance zones right above here. Okay, so this is what we can expect for the next few days na gagawin ng DXY. So I am bullish para sa DXY for the coming week. Okay, so I am thinking na or expecting na bumalik siya dito sa resistance zone before coming back dito sa previous high ng price action itong DXY. Alright, so as of the moment, nasa 103.6 ang price ni DXY and we are expecting na pwede siyang umabot for the next few days, pwede siyang umabot hanggang between 104.12 up to 104.4 conservative levels. Okay? And then, kung malakas yung magiging push to the upside nitong DXY, then pwede siyang bumalik sa around 104.8. Okay? Aggressive level, which is our previous resistance or our previous high right here. Alright? So, ito po yung titignan natin or aabangan natin sa DXY and knowing na we are bullish on the DXY or the dollar index. So, let's try to look at our 7 major pairs. So first, we have Aussie dollar. And for the Aussie dollar, so as you can see based on our drawings from our previous sessions, so basically we are expecting na itong support level na to is mag-hold. But based on our analysis last time, ang ina-expect natin is magkaroon ng continuation to the downside. Since nagkaroon tayo ng breakout, so itong big red candle na to is a breakout from our support level. So we are expecting na magkaroon siya ng continuation pababa or bumalik siya dito sa resistance zone. So dalawa po yung expectation natin dito sa Aussie dollar. Either magkaroon siya ng continuation to the downside or mag-retrace siya pabalik dito sa resistance level bago siya bumagsak ulit. And then as we can see, clearly, ang nangyari is bumalik siya dito sa resistance zone. Though hindi niya naabot. Okay, so as we can see, ilang pips pa ang kinulang. So kinulang siya ng 8.2 pips bago siya makarating dito sa resistance level. Pero yung point ng analysis natin is nandoon pa rin. Okay, so as we can see, bumalik siya dito sa resistance zone. Nagkaroon siya ng retracement. Then obviously, after pulling back dito sa resistance level, then nagkaroon siya ng continuation pababa. Then if we use our Fibonacci retracement coming from this previous high to our recent low, so obviously nagkaroon siya ng retracement dito sa 78.6 Fibonacci level. Okay? So kung i-extend natin yung resistance level natin, so obviously this resistance level is a previous support right here. Okay? Then as we can see, kung i-analyze natin to ngayon, so the price is just on a continuation phase. Okay? So ang tinitingnan po natin ngayon is kung magkakaroon ba siya ng continuation to the downside. So knowing na this is a strong support from the past, itong green zone na to. So knowing that this is a strong support, so we are expecting na mag-consolidate talaga siya dito around this level or magkaroon siya ng reaction like this. Okay? So for the next coming weeks or for the next few days, pwede tayo mag-expect na mag-consolidate itong price action ng Aussie dollar dito sa support level at dito sa resistance zone sa ibabaw. But long-term view, I am expecting na magkaroon siya ng continuation to the downside. So we are still downtrend sa Aussie dollar based on the structure na meron tayo ngayon. We are still on a downtrend. Yung downtrend is still intact. So ang long-term view na ina-expect pa rin natin dito sa Aussie dollar is babalik siya dito sa previous support down here. Okay? But as of the moment or short-term view, pwedeng magkaroon lang muna siya ng consolidation before magkaroon siya ng continuation dito sa ilalim. Okay? So this is what we have from our daily time frame. So let's try to look at the 1 hour time frame kung meron ba tayong possible trading opportunity. So sa 1 hour time frame, so since nag-expect tayo na magkakaroon siya ng movement to the upside and since ang ina-expect rin natin sa DXY kanina is magkaroon ng continuation pataas, then dito sa day trading time frame natin which is our 1 hour time frame, so pwede tayo mag-expect ng breakout from this previous resistance level. So obviously, we have a 1, 2, 3 pattern to the downside dito sa 1 hour time frame. But as we can see, the price is now trying to break through dito sa previous 2 or sa previous resistance. And based on our previous lessons, kapag nagkaroon siya ng breakout dito sa previous high or dito sa previous 2 level, then pwede tayo magkaroon ng reversal. So, ang point is kapag nakakita tayo ng breakout dito sa previous high or dito sa previous resistance ng Aussie dollar sa 1 hour time frame, then pwede tayo mag-take ng breakout trade or pwede tayo mag-abang ng retracement or a possible continuation to the upside. So, ang ina-expect po natin dito sa 1 hour time frame ng Aussie dollar is magkaroon ng breakout dito sa previous high. And obviously, this previous resistance is a previous support. So, previous support na naging resistance dito. And right now, the price is trying to break through it. Okay? So, let's see. Pag nagkaroon ng breakout, so pwede tayong again mag-take ng breakout trade or wait for the retracement. And as you can see, habang bumabalik siya pabalik dito sa resistance, hindi siya nagkaroon ng straight push na katulad nito. So, ang ginawa niya is nag-build up muna siya ng momentum. Okay? So, nagkaroon siya ng higher high and higher low. Okay? So, kapag po nakakita tayo ng push to a previous resistance at nagkakaroon siya ng ganitong movement, then malakas po yung probability o mataas yung probability na magkaroon siya ng successful breakout. So, all we have to do is to wait. Okay? So, let's see kung ano pong gagawin ng price ng Aussie dollar for its 1 hour time frame. Okay? So, that's what we have for our Aussie dollar. So, let's see what the price will do. So, for our next pair, we have Euro dollar. And for this one, so, as we can see, the price successfully broke out from its trend line. Okay? And so last time, meron po tayong breakout dito sa previous low or sa previous 2 level natin. Then since we have a breakout, ang ina-expect natin is magkaroon siya ng continuation to the downside. And right now, as of the moment, clearly, meron siyang retracement. So, ang ina-expect natin last webinar is bumalik siya dito sa support. Okay? So, since meron tayong breakout dito sa previous 2 level or dito sa previous low, ang ina-expect natin long-term view is magkaroon siya ng continuation dito sa support level. And then as we can see, based on our analysis last time, ang ina-expect natin is magkaroon siya ng pullback and then a possible continuation to the downside. Okay? And then, as we can see, meron din tayong breakout dito sa trend line, katulad ng sinabi ko kanina. So, ano po ang ibig sabihin nito? So, first is, naglalaban po yung sellers and buyers. So, basically, ang prevailing trend nito is still consolidation. Okay? Ang prevailing trend niya is just moving sideways. But, kung titingnan po natin on a more structure or on a clear structure, kapag nag-zoom out tayo, ang prevailing trend niya is on to the downtrend or to the downside. Okay? Downtrend po yung prevailing trend. So, kung magra-ride tayo sa long-term view, which is downtrend, of course, supported tayo nitong breakout, nitong previous low, ang dapat na i-expect natin dito is to take a short trade, right? Or pwede tayong mag-expect ng movement to the downside. But since pinapahalagahan rin natin yung short-term view, so dapat rin natin tignan yung mga breakout katulad nitong breakout dito sa trend line. And since meron tayong breakout sa trend line, so pwede tayong mag-expect na pwede pa siyang umangat maybe up to this resistance zone. Okay? So let's see kung babalik siya dito sa resistance level. But based on what we have right now, so since we have a breakout from this trend line and as we can see, nire-retest niya na itong minor resistance. If we go down on our 4-hour time frame, this is a minor resistance. Okay? So let's see kung magkakaroon siya ng breakout dito sa level na to which was tested before. Okay? So as we can see, nire-retest niya na itong minor resistance level na to last February 22. And right now, it's March 6 and the price is retesting this level again. So kapag nagkaroon tayo ng breakout dito sa minor resistance, then pwede tayong mag-expect na magkaroon siya ng continuation dito sa mas makapal-kapal na resistance zone. Okay? So ito po yung ina-expect natin sa euro-dollar. So since again, sa DXY, ang ina-expect natin is magkaroon ng movement to the upside, yung dollar index. So, pwede nating i-expect na magkaroon ito ng breakout dito sa minor resistance, which is a previous minor support trend right here. Then, kapag nagkaroon siya ng breakout, again, pwede siyang bumalik dito sa more major resistance. Okay? Or yung mas major resistance. Okay? So, let's see what the price will do. Pwede rin namang kabaliktaran yung mangyari. Pwede rin mag-resist na siya dito sa resistance zone at pwede siyang magkaroon ng continuation to the downside. So, kailangan po maging open tayo sa lahat ng possibilities kapag nag-trade tayo. Okay? But I am more leaning sa possibility na magkaroon ng breakout dito sa minor resistance since nagkakaroon siya ng build-up to the upside. Okay? So, let's see what the price will do sa mga susunod na araw. At yun po yung analysis natin sa daily time frame. Then, on our 1-hour time frame, so since we are on a minor resistance as of the moment, and as we can see, meron tayong movement like this. So, this is just a consolidation. Pero, habang bumabalik tayo dito sa resistance, ano pong mapapansin natin? So, kung mapapansin po ninyo, paliit po ng paliit yung consolidation. Meaning, nagkakaroon po tayo ng higher low. Okay? So kapag meron po tayong consolidation and then nagkakaroon siya ng higher low right into its resistance level, then mataas po yung chance na makakita tayo ng breakout. Okay? So as long as we are still above this trend line, we can also put a horizontal level. So as long as we are above these support zones, then we can expect na magkaroon tayo ng breakout dito sa resistance zone. So, ang pwede po nating expect is magkaroon siya ng movement like this. So, this resistance level could be our next support. So, ito po yung pwede nating expect na movement ng euro-dollar sa atin pong 1-hour time frame. Okay? So, let's see kung gusto po ninyong i-take advantage yung day trading opportunity na binibigay ni euro-dollar sa mga susunod na oras mamaya. So, tignan po natin kung magkakaroon siya ng successful breakout dito sa resistance level na to for a possible long trade. Alright, so let's see what the price will do. So this is what we are expecting na gagawin ni euro-dollar long-term view. Okay, and then for our next pair, we have pound-dollar. So dito sa pound-dollar, we are still inside our Darvas box. But as we can see, nagkakaroon na siya ng nagbi-build up na siya na magkaroon ng push to the upside. So as you can see, habang nagkakaroon tayo ng consolidation, sa loob ng consolidation, nagkakaroon siya ng build-up na pwede siyang umangat pabalik dito. Okay? So, last time, ang ina-expect natin is, since bumalik tayo dito sa support level, ang ina-expect natin is magkaroon lang siya ng support or mag-react lang siya dito sa support. Hindi pa tayo nakakita ng breakout. So, since hindi tayo nakakita ng breakout, ang ina-expect natin last time is magkaroon siya ng bounce dito sa support level at ang ina-expect natin is bumalik siya dito sa resistance. And right now, nangyayari na po yung analysis natin last time. So, after pulling back to this support level, nagkaroon siya ng attempt to go back dito sa previous high. But then again, nagkaroon siya ng retest pabalik dito sa support level. And ngayon, ito na po yung ginagawa niya. Pabalik na siya dito sa previous high. So, ang pwede nating i-expect sa mga susunod na araw para sa pound dollar is pwede siyang bumalik dito sa previous resistance or sa top box. Okay? So, pwede niyang i-retest ulit itong major resistance natin which is our top box. Okay? So, again, hanggat hindi pa tayo nakakita ng breakout either from the top or the bottom of this Darvas box pattern, then we are just on a sideways. At habang sideways po yung ginagawa ni pound dollar, again, ang magagawa lang natin is to wait. Okay? So, we can't do anything about this one. Ang magagawa lang po natin is maghintay. Kung mababasag ba niya itong top box or itong bottom box. Okay? So, this is what we have from our daily time frame. So, sa 1-hour time frame, let's see kung meron po tayong day trading opportunity. So, this is a good 1, 2, 3 pattern that we have right here. Okay? So, as you can see, we are on our continuation phase. So, after breaking this previous resistance, so ito po yung inaaral natin kanina, no? Ito po yung sinasabi natin kanina. So, clearly, pagkatapos niyang ma-breakout itong or pagkatapos niyang malampasan itong previous resistance, dun mismo siya nag-support or dun mismo siya pumulbak. At kung gagamitan rin natin siya ng Fibonacci retracement, bumalik siya sa 61.8 Fibonacci level. And then, after pulling back sa previous resistance na naging support, clearly, nakita natin na nagkaroon siya ng continuation pataas. And right now, the price is trying to break through this previous high. Okay? So, nasa previous high na siya. And let's see kung magkakaroon siya ng continuation to the upside. So, obviously, kapag nagkaroon siya ng breakout dito sa previous high, so, ang i-expect natin na next move ng pound dollar is magkaroon siya ng pullback and then magkaroon siya ng continuation to the upside. Okay? So, basically, ang hihintayin po natin dito sa pound dollar, 1-hour time frame, is ma-breakout niya itong previous high Then after the breakout, we can either buy the breakout or we can wait for the pullback, just like what we have right here. Okay? Then after the pullback, obviously, we can take a long trade dito sa previous resistance. Alright? So this is what we have for the pound dollar, both daily time frame and 1 hour time frame. Alright, so moving on, let's try to look at the New Zealand dollar. So for the New Zealand dollar, so last time, if you remember, ang ina-expect natin is magkaroon ng breakout either from the bottom or the top of the box. So ito po yung example ng breakout sa Darvas box pattern. Okay? So from our last 2 or 3 webinars, so we are expecting na magkaroon siya ng continuation pababa at pwede siyang bumalik dito sa support level. So if you still remember, this is what our initial analysis. But then, the price was contained into a box right here. So last time, ito pa lang yung information na meron tayo. And since we broke out from this previous support, so we expected na magkaroon siya ng continuation hanggang dito sa support level, dito sa ilalim. But then, the price created a Darvas box na nakulong siya sa Darvas box, yung price action. So ito po yung kahalagahan ng paggamit ng Darvas box, no? Nakikita po natin yung consolidation phase ng mas maayos. So since last time nandito pa lang yung price action and nakita natin na nag-form siya ng sideways move or nagko-consolidate lang yung price around this level, around this range. So ang ina-expect natin is either a breakout dito sa ilalim or from the top of the box. But obviously, since nagkaroon tayo ng breakout dito sa ibabaw nitong Darvas box, then hindi na po tayo pwedeng mag-expect as of the moment ng continuation pabalik dito sa support since nagkakaroon siya ng momentum to the upside. And as you remember, again, just to emphasize the point, ang na-expect po natin sa DXY, which is the dollar index, ang na-expect natin is magkaroon siya ng movement to the upside. So since ang ina-expect natin is tataas ang USD for the coming days and supported naman yung analysis natin coming from the breakout. So what I mean is yung analysis natin sa DXY is confluential na nagkaroon siya ng breakout dito sa itong pair na to, itong New Zealand dollar is nagkaroon siya ng breakout sa kanyang previous high o sa kanyang previous resistance. And then, kung isasabay po natin siya sa analysis natin sa DXY na pwedeng magkaroon ng movement to the upside yung US dollar for the coming days. So, I guess, nagets nyo po yung ibig sabihin nitong breakout na to. So, ang ibig sabihin nitong breakout na to is the previous resistance could turn into support. And if we follow our 1, 2, 3 pattern, so nag-form siya ngayon ng possible 2 pattern. So, what I mean is nag-form siya ng possible second movement. So, this is our 1 and this is our possible 2 movement. At possible po na magkaroon siya ng continuation to the upside. So, basically, what I am trying to say is mataas po yung probability na magkaroon tayo ng continuation to the upside dito sa New Zealand dollar for the coming weeks or for the coming days. Okay? So again, since meron tayong breakout dito sa previous high, kung dodrawingan natin siya ng Darvas box, so mas makikita natin yung analysis natin. So meron tayong breakout dito sa top box at nagkaroon siya ng retracement, which is a very normal thing sa price action. So pwede tayo magkaroon ng movement like this. Okay? And since, again, ang ina-expect natin sa DXY is pwedeng umangat ang US dollar, then this is also a possibility para sa New Zealand dollar na pwede siyang magkaroon ng continuation to the upside. Okay? And we can also use Fibonacci retracement. And as you can see, nagre-react siya ngayon dito sa 78.6 Fibonacci level. Alright, and as we can see, the price is trying to form a engulfing candle right here. Okay? So kapag po nagkaroon tayo ng candlestick pattern dito sa support level, so this is a good opportunity for us to take a long trade. Okay? So that's our initial expectation, or that's our first expectation. Of course, our second expectation is still a possible continuation to the downside until it reach the support level. Okay? So yun po yung dalawang expectation na meron tayo para sa New Zealand dollar. But I am more bullish para po sa New Zealand dollar dahil meron tayong breakout at as of the moment nagkakaroon siya ng, or nagtatry siyang magkaroon ng engulfing candle dito sa support level. And this is also a major support from the past. And it was tested multiple times before. Okay, so let's see what the price will do. And let's take a look at our 1-hour time frame. So obviously sa 1-hour time frame, since sa daily time frame nasa support level tayo, then meron tayong double bottom. So we have a double bottom from our 1-hour time frame. So this is a good structure level, or this is a good price action pattern. At ang kailangan na lang nating makita is magkaroon siya ng breakout dito sa neckline. Okay? So let's see kung magkakaroon siya ng breakout dito sa neckline. So let's just remove the support level first sa ating daily time frame just to emphasize the point. So again, meron tayong double bottom, okay, sa 1-hour time frame ng New Zealand dollar. Meron tayong double bottom at as of the moment, nasa neckline na yung price action. So kapag nagkaroon tayo ng breakout dito sa neckline, so what we want to see is for the price to have a successful breakout. So either we buy the breakout or wait for a retracement or a possible continuation to the upside. Alright, so this is what we can expect sa New Zealand dollar. So let's see what the price will do. And that's what we have sa New Zealand dollar, both daily time frame and 1-hour time frame. Alright. Okay, so for our next pair, we have dollar against Canada or dollar loonie. So for this one, what we are expecting last time ay pwedeng magkaroon ng continuation until dito sa resistance level. And then obviously, as we can see, nakarating nga talaga yung price action dito sa resistance zone. Okay, so as we can see, we are right here from this resistance zone. As expected, bumalik siya dito sa resistance. And right now, since the price is on a resistance level, so obviously, we are expecting a reaction from this resistance zone. Okay, and obviously, our next support is right here. So this previous resistance could now turn into support. Okay, so let's remove these zones for the time being, just to emphasize the point. So again, ang pwede po nating makita for the next few days is pwedeng bumalik yung price ng dollar against Canada or dollar loonie dito sa support level. Okay, so short-term view, pwedeng bumalik dito or pwede rin siyang magkaroon ng breakout dito sa resistance zone. Okay, so let's see kung magkakaroon siya ng breakout or magkakaroon lang siya ng reaction. So dalawa lang po yung pwede nating i-expect sa dollar loonie. So very straight to the point po yung analysis natin dito. And we also have this 1, 2, 3 pattern. Okay, so let's see. Pwedeng mag-expect tayo ng breakout since yung 1, 2, 3 pattern natin is kaka-breakout lang from its previous high, right? So you can see, this is our previous high. So the breakout nung price action, itong previous high natin. So this is actually a zone. So na breakout nung price, itong previous high natin, which is our previous resistance zone. And since yung breakout is hindi pa ganun ka-successful, so pwedeng magkaroon pa siya ng higher push to the upside. So let's see kung i-break niya tong resistance level na to. And most likely, ma-breakout nga niya to. Okay? Since we are on a 1, 2, 3 pattern. So pwedeng magkaroon siya ng higher push to the upside. At kapag po nagkaroon siya ng movement like this, so obviously, ang ina-expect po natin dito is magkaroon siya ng retracement pabalik for a possible continuation to the upside. Okay? So, again, we have this 1, 2, 3 pattern. And since we are just on a slight breakout as of the moment, so slight breakout pa lang yung nagagawa ng price action, itong dollar loonie. So, we can't buy it yet. So, kung gusto nyo pong mag-take ng long trade since we are on an uptrend pattern, so this is a possible reversal pattern as well. So, since we came from a downtrend, so obviously we came from a downtrend, and right now the price is trying to make a reversal. We also have a head and shoulder pattern right here. Okay, so this is our first shoulder, our head and right shoulder, and right now the price is breaking this level, or the price already broke out from this level. Okay, so since we are on this pattern right now and the price is trying to immediately pull back, so we can rely on our Fibonacci retracement. So assuming na ito na po yung top ng price ng dollar loonie, so we can use our Fibonacci retracement. So assuming na dito na siya magsisimulang mag-pullback, so pwede tayo mag-expect ng movement up to this support zone. Okay? So let's see kung babalik ba siya dito. Ang gusto nating makita is either bumalik siya dito or magkaroon siya ng higher breakout or yung stronger breakout. Okay? So again, I hope you are getting my point. So the point is we are just, or the price has just broken this resistance recently. Okay? And the breakout is not that strong yet. So what I want to see is a stronger breakout or either this one or a pullback from its Fibonacci retracement. Okay? So this is what we have from our daily time frame. So we don't have any opportunity from our daily time frame yet. Okay? So let's try to look at our 1 hour time frame kung meron ba tayong opportunity to trade right here. So obviously, the price is on a resistance zone and the price seems to react to this resistance. So nagkaroon siya ng first attempt to break this resistance right here. Then the price failed to break the level. Then the price tried to break this resistance level again, at as we can see, nag-fail na naman yung breakout. So we don't have any opportunity to trade the dollar loonie as of the moment sa 1 hour time frame. As we can see, nag-hold po yung resistance zone. So malakas po itong resistance level na to, no? Hindi niya malampasan. So let's see, we are just on a sideways. So we have resistance at the top and support at the bottom. So obviously, this is a Darvas box pattern. So kung ako po yung tatanungin, I'd rather stay away from this pair as of the moment. Okay, so let's try to look at our next pair. So we don't have any opportunity sa dollar loonie right now. So let's try to look at the dollar Swiss. So for the dollar Swiss, we are expecting last time. So last time, ang information na meron tayo is right here. Okay? So since ang nakita natin last time is nandito siya sa resistance zone, we expect na pwede siyang magkaroon ng retracement pababa. At yung retracement is pwedeng umabot dito sa support level. So let's see kung ano yung ginawa niya. So obviously, nag-react nga yung price dito sa resistance zone. So bumaba nga talaga yung price coming from this resistance. At umabot siya hanggang dito sa level na to. So hindi niya tinamaan o hindi siya nakabalik dito sa support. So which is very normal in trading. But the point is there. Ang point po is pwede siyang mag-retrace pabalik bago siya umangat pabalik dito sa previous high. And obviously, the price created a pattern like this. Okay? So obviously, nag-work po yung analysis natin para dito sa dollar Swiss last time. And right now, the price is trying to break this resistance again. But as we can see, the price is still uh, struggling to break through this resistance zone. So as we can see, we have this inverted hammer. So meron tayong inverted hammer, which is not a good sign para sa mga buyers nitong dollar Swiss. So we can expect na magkaroon siya ng reaction like this, okay, for the next few days. So since we have an inverted hammer coming from a resistance zone, so we can expect na yung price action ng dollar Swiss is mag-retrace ulit pababa at pwede siyang bumalik dito sa support level sa atin pong recent low. Okay? At pwedeng mag-consolidate lang yung price action. So since we don't have a breakout yet, so let's see kung ano pong gagawin ng price action. We are just moving sideways as of the moment. Okay? But if the price decided to break this level, if the price decided to break this resistance, then obviously we can expect a pullback from this resistance to become support for a possible continuation to the upside. But as of the moment, again, hindi pa po yun yung nakikita natin. So ang nakikita natin for this pair is for the price to just consolidate around these areas, this level. So we have our resistance and support right here. Okay, and on our 1 hour time frame, so let's see. So obviously, nagkaroon siya ng breakout dito sa previous resistance at yung previous resistance turn into support. Okay? So pagkatapos niyang magkaroon ng breakout, bumalik siya dito sa resistance level at doon siya nagkaroon ng a continuation or movement to the upside. And right now, as you can see, the price is just moving sideways. Okay? So we don't have any trading opportunity yet for our 1 hour time frame. So the price is just moving on a triangle pattern. So pwede nating hintayin either a breakout from our higher trend line or our lower trend line. So let's see kung ano pong gagawin ng price action sa ating 1 hour time frame for the dollar Swiss. So either a breakout from this trend line or this trend line at the top. So we don't have any opportunity yet. So we have to be patient. So let's see what the price will do. And that's what we have for the dollar Swiss, both daily and 1 hour time frame. And for our last pair, so we have dollar yen. And for this one, so long-term view, we have a big Darvas box pattern. But short-term view, we have this previous resistance waiting to be support. Okay? So last time, ang analysis natin is for the price to pull back into this previous resistance. Okay? And as of the moment, hindi pa po siya nakakabalik dito sa support zone. But as we can see, the price is trying to pull back or the price is trying to retrace pabalik dito sa support. So obviously, yung analysis natin last time is still ganun pa rin. So let's see kung makakabalik siya dito sa support. So kapag nakabalik, obviously, this is an opportunity for us to take a long trade. Okay? So kapag bumalik yung price action ng dollar yen dito sa support level, so this is a good opportunity for us to look for a possible continuation to the upside. So let's see what the price will do on our 1 hour time frame. So obviously, the price is moving down. So since on our daily time frame, we are expecting that the price could turn into this or could go back into the support level. And as we can see on our 1 hour time frame, the price is creating a lower high and a lower low. And the price is now trying to break out from this previous low. So let's see, kapag nagkaroon ng breakout dito sa previous support, then obviously we can take a breakout or we can wait for a retracement or a possible continuation to the downside. Okay, so this is what we can expect sa dollar yen 1 hour time frame and daily time frame. Okay, so let's see what the price will do, and that's what we have for our 7 major pairs. So obviously, a lot of us right here are wanting to see kung ano bang nangyari sa uh, XAU USD. So let's try to look at the gold market. So for the gold market, so last previous webinars, ang analysis natin is meron lang tayong Darvas box. So ito po yung sinasabi natin, no? So as you can see, nagkaroon siya ng breakout. Okay? So nagkaroon siya ng breakout sa Darvas box, sa top box, sa ibabaw ng Darvas box. And after the breakout, as you can see, the price created a continuation. Right? So after breaking this previous resistance or this previous high, the price um, continued to go even higher. Okay? So as we can see, this is what we can expect from gold as of the moment. So this is our previous resistance, and this previous resistance could turn into support. Okay? Right. So right now, we have a completion of our 1, 2, 3 pattern. Okay? So ang tagal po niyang naglaro sa loob ng Darvas box. Right? So ang tagal po nating hinintay ito. So kung nanonood po kayo o kung nasubaybayan niyo po yung mga previous webinars natin, matagal po tayong naglaro dito sa loob ng Darvas box. So ito rin po yung nakita na yung meron tayo sa pound dollar kanina. Right? So ito po yung gusto nating makita na breakout na example natin kanina. So dito sa XAUSD o sa gold market, o sa gold, meron na tayong successful breakout. And since meron na tayong successful breakout nitong Darvas box, nakumpleto na po yung 1, 2, 3 pattern. And since nakumpleto na yung 1, 2, 3 pattern, ang susunod naman na i-expect natin dito is pwede siyang magkaroon ng pullback at itong previous resistance is pwede na maging support or a possible continuation to the upside. Okay? So let's see kung hanggang saan aakyat yung price ng gold. So kaka-breakout lang niya last March 1. So last March 1, kaka-breakout lang niya, and let's see kung ano yung mga resistance na meron tayo. So as we can see, we don't have any possible resistance na susunod na pwedeng tamaan ng gold. So this is actually an all-time high para sa gold. So kung nagkaroon po tayo ng buy trade o kung nag-take tayo ng long trade dito sa breakout, then obviously this is a good result for us, right? So after breaking this resistance level, so 5 days after the breakout, the price went up to this level. So the price went up to 2,142 level. Okay? So nanggaling siya sa 2,078, and right now the price is at 2,134. Okay? So this is what we can expect na gagawin na rin ng pound dollar. Okay? So kung maalala po ninyo sa pound dollar kanina, so we have a Darvas box pattern. Okay? So this is our Darvas box pattern sa pound dollar, and we are just waiting for a breakout, just like what we have from gold. Okay? So let's see what the price will do. All right, so that's our 7 major pairs as well as the gold market. So if you have any question, you can ask questions right now sa atin pong live chat box since we are done analyzing our 7 major pairs. Okay, so any question po? Hello to you as well, sa Tapilya, Darmalingam, and thank you for tuning in for our today's live trading session. All right, any question? Hello, Eman Kadiwa. Uh, Thank you for joining our today's webinar, and thank you for the kind words. Appreciate it, and you are very much welcome. So, Sir Eman, ang pinaka-simpleng strategy na pwede nyo pong pag-aralan as a beginner is the continuation pattern. Katulad po ng pinag-usapan natin kanina before we start. Okay? So, first things first, kapag beginner po kayo sa trading, ang kailangan nyo pong matutunan is kung paano po maghanap ng trending market. So, kapag po uptrend or downtrend yung isang currency pair, dun po tayo magkakaroon ng trading opportunity. Kapag sideways naman po, better to just avoid trading those pairs. So, kung gusto nyo po ng mas detailed na lesson about those things, so marami na po tayong nagawang webinars. So, i-check nyo lang po sa channel ni Octa. So, again, going back po sa question ni Eman Kadiwa. So, again, kapag po beginner kayo, ang recommended ko po na strategy na gamitin ninyo is the continuation pattern. So, first is to look for the 1, 2, 3 pattern na katulad po nung pinag-aaralan natin kanina. At kung makikita rin po ninyo sa mga analysis natin kanina, is ito po yung foundation po nung analysis natin. Then, kapag po nagkaroon tayo, or kapag nakahanap po kayo ng intact na uptrend, which is merong 1, 2, 3 pattern, then, obviously, ang pinaka-simple po na strategy na magagawa natin is to wait for the pullback sa previous resistance. Dahil yung previous resistance, so basic lesson sa Forex, yung previous resistance is pwede maging support at dito pwedeng magkaroon ng reaction or continuation to the upside. But kung nahihirapan po kayo sa pullback strategy, then pwede po natin gamitin yung mas simpleng strategy which is the breakout pattern. Okay? So let's say na meron po tayong 1, 2 pattern. So kanina yung 1, 2, 3 is yung completion ng uptrend. But let's say meron tayong 1, 2 pa lang, no? Hindi pa kumpleto yung 1, 2, 3. So obviously, ang next move na pwedeng gawin nitong price action is pwede siyang magkaroon ng breakout dito sa previous high. Okay? So obviously, ito po yung mas madaling strategy sa mga beginner. Mas marami pong nadadalian dito. But kung ako po yung tatanungin ninyo, mas prefer ko lang po talaga yung pullback. But wala naman pong maling strategy, no? Kahit po anong gamitin natin, nag-work po yan. So pwede po natin gamitin yung, again, yung breakout dito sa previous level or dito sa previous high. Kapag nakakita tayo ng breakout, which is obviously a breakout candle, like this, then ito po yung pwede nating maging entry pattern. Okay? Kapag nagkaroon tayo ng breakout, pwede tayong magkaroon ng long entry dito sa breakout candle. Then yung stop loss po natin is pwedeng sa ilalim po ng breakout candle or pwede rin tayong gumamit ng ATR. Okay? So ito po yung pinaka-simple na masasabi ko na pinaka-simpleng strategy na pwedeng gamitin ng mga beginners. So let's try to look at an example. So ito po downtrend example. Meron tayo ditong 1, 2. Okay, let's see kung magkakaroon siya ng breakout. Okay, so kapag nagkaroon ng breakout dito sa previous low, then obviously this is a good breakout trade. Okay, so let's see kung magkakaroon siya ng breakout. So kapag nagkaroon ng breakout candle, pwede tayong mag-take ng breakout trade. So as we can see ngayon, nag-hold yung support. As we can see from this candle, nag-hold yung support. So what we want to see is a breakout candle like this. Okay? Then kapag nagkaroon ng breakout candle, doon tayo papasok. So let's see kung magkakaroon siya ng breakout candle. So as we can see, nag-hold pa rin yung support. So we don't have any ops. So dito sa big red candle na to, so dito tayo pwedeng magkaroon ng entry. Okay? So let's say, pumasok tayo dito sa breakout, and then ang stop loss natin is just above this breakout candle, or for the sake of example, let's just say, nilagay natin dito yung stop loss, and yung target natin is a 1:1 risk to reward ratio. So let's see kung ano pong mangyayari dito sa trade. So there, as you can see, just after 3 candles, this is a winning trade. Okay? So Sir Eman, yun po yung pinaka-simple na strategy na pwede nating gamitin. Again, which is a breakout or a continuation with a pullback. Okay? So obviously, dito sa pound dollar, naghihintay lang tayo ng breakout. Okay? So breakout sa taas or breakout dito sa ilalim ng Darvas box. Kapag nagkaroon ng breakout sa ibabaw ng Darvas box, then obviously, pwede po tayong magkaroon ng long trade. Pag sa ibabaw or sa ilalim naman ng Darvas box, then obviously a short trade. Okay? So I hope that answers your question, Sir Eman Kadiwa. Okay? So, any question? Last question po before we end? Again, you are very much welcome po, Sir Eman Kadiwa. Alright, so I guess that's it for our today's webinar. So again, salamat po sa mga nag-join sa webinar natin for today. Again, this is Paul Mendoza, your trading speaker. Bye! See you again next week.